Hey Mark, quick demo video for you for both of, or just one of your savers, sorry. Your Graflex Replica here. Got it all fixed. The stock pixels that I had in it the other day, 2 of them were burnt out, which is unfortunate because this thing was brand new, but you know, oh well, that's fine. So I got home early today, swapped them out for the new ones. These were long pins with the lens. What I did instead was I put some short pins in there. I've always had better luck with the short pin setup, so that's what's in here. I did leave your glass eye in here. I know you said that you had a real one. What I did was shave the threads down on this guy a little bit because it does help hold the housing in place, but when I screw this all the way down, it doesn't protrude into the blade housing anymore. So there's that. And then I put an 832 set screw inside right here, tapped and drilled and tapped for your blade retention. So if you were to take this lip off, this glass eye out, and your pins out, this whole thing actually slides out, but you don't want to do that because you've got the clamp system right here. So let's open this up. When you open this up, you'll want to try to leave this piece sitting right where it's at. I did Dremel a small channel on the inside of this tubing right here so that I could run the wires for your switches down into the tube and through the chassis to wire it instead of getting pressed along the tube. So you just want to make sure this middle piece stays where it's at. I tightened it up enough to where you shouldn't have a problem with that. So we'll turn this handle, pommel, slide this off. Of course, you got your board right there, easy access to your card like you like, 28mm bass speaker, and then always removable battery system. This one actually has the positive and negative, but you and I have been doing this a long time. You know that my positive always goes towards your speaker, and that spring is also another indicator of your negative side. So we'll throw this in here real quick. And then just carefully slide this on. It'll go right on and then turns counterclockwise, and then you can lock it in place. It's not going anywhere. Your front button right here is your activation. Your button right here closest to you is going to be your auxiliary. You can see that working well. And stock fonts on this. I know you're going to get in there and do your thing. Only thing I did was set the card up for neopixel and raise your H temp to 60, which I always do anyway. I do that on every install that I do. Otherwise you'll get a heat warning. Yeah, it's just an arbitrary warning. But anyway, this is on here. It doesn't do anything. It's just for aesthetics. This button also just for aesthetics. It doesn't do anything. Everything is right here where you wanted it. So, all set. I am going to pack these up as this video is loading, and because I'm going on vacation here, I'm going to actually go to the post office today and get this sent out to you. Alright, thanks.